Improved towing capacity. With dual or triple motors, electric trucks are now capable of towing 10,000 to 30,000 pounds, making them suitable for heavy-duty hauling tasks. Electric trucks are not only efficient, but they are also capable of performing tasks that were once thought impossible for EVs, making them highly practical for the hauling industry. As the demand for electric trucks grows, several automakers are leading the way with cutting-edge models in 2025. Let's take a look at some of the top contenders. Tesla Cybertruck power, up to 800 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. Range, 500 plus miles on a full charge. Features, autonomous driving, high-tech interior, and bulletproof exoskeleton. Ford F-150 Lightning power, 563 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 10,000 pounds. Range, 230-300 miles. Features, advanced tech, onboard power outlets, and sustainable manufacturing. Rivian R1T power, 835 horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Towing capacity, 11,000 pounds. Range, 314 miles. Features, off-road capabilities, smart bed storage, and sustainable materials. These electric trucks aren't just about sustainability, they offer top-tier performance, towing power, and innovative features that are transforming the future of hauling. One of the biggest driving forces behind the rise of electric trucks is the environmental impact. Zero emissions. Unlike their diesel counterparts, electric trucks produce no tailpipe emissions, which helps improve air quality, especially in urban areas. Reduced carbon footprint. Over their lifetime, electric trucks can contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, especially when paired with renewable energy sources for charging. Energy efficiency. Electric vehicles are more energy efficient than gas-powered trucks, converting more of the energy from the battery